In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up size chart to Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, dedicated size chart page with a clear heading and an uploaded image of your chart, ready to use as a pop-up or to link from your product pages. I'll keep the process simple, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so everything looks great on desktop and mobile. Start by signing in and heading to your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, open your site by choosing Dashboard, then Go to Website. This takes you into your site's editor, where we'll create the size chart content you'll display in a pop-up. In the left-hand panel, select Website, then choose Pages. Inside Pages, go to Main Navigation. We're going to add a dedicated page for the size chart so it's easy to manage and reuse. Click the plus icon to add something new, choose Add Blank, and select Page. Give the new page a clear name so you can find it later. Something like Size Chart works well. Once the page is created, open it and click Edit to start building the layout. On the blank page, add a section to hold your content. Click Add Section and choose a blank section. This gives you a clean slate without preset elements. Confirm adding that blank section, and then we'll place the content blocks inside it. Now add a text block so visitors have a clear title to orient them. Click Add Block and select Text. Type Size Chart, then highlight the text and change its style from a paragraph to a heading so it stands out. Choosing Heading 1 is a good option here. It keeps your design consistent with your site's typography and makes the title easy to scan. If you see formatting options like Paragraph 2, that just means you're in the style picker. Switch it to Heading 1 for a strong, accessible label. When you're done styling the title, make sure you're back in normal text mode. Next, add the image of your size chart. Click Add Block again and select Image. In the image block, hit the plus icon to add media, then choose Upload File. Locate the size chart image on your computer and upload it. A quick tip: use a high-quality JPG or PNG that's clear at the size you plan to display, but avoid overly large files so your pop-up loads quickly. If you export the chart from a design tool, aim for crisp text and enough contrast to keep the chart readable on small screens. Once the image is in place, resize it by dragging the handles on the image block. You want it large enough to read comfortably without forcing extra scrolling. If your chart is very detailed, consider a slightly larger width and keep generous spacing around it. Then adjust the image block's position in the section. Drag it so your heading sits above and the image sits directly below, centered for a clean, balanced layout. Consistent alignment makes the pop-up feel intentional and easy to scan. When your title and image look good, click Save to commit your changes. After saving, click Exit to return to the page's view. That's it. You've created a dedicated size chart page that's perfect for use in a pop-up. From here, you can link a size chart text or button on your product pages to reference this page, depending on your template and settings. The content is already formatted for a pop-up experience, a clear heading, and a single, readable image. Before you wrap up, take a moment to preview the page on mobile. Make sure the heading isn't too large and that the image is readable without pinching and zooming. If you need to, resize the image block slightly or adjust spacing in the section for a more comfortable fit. You now have a polished size chart ready to enhance your shopper's experience and reduce sizing uncertainty. Save, exit, and you're all set.